Just found a bunch. It looks like I see more from a distance. Let's go investigate. Some gifts from Mother Nature on a spring day. Oh yeah, some things look like they're glowing, fiery, orange and red. I know chicken of the woods when I see them. They're probably one of the most easiest mushrooms to spot from far away. It's because of their color. They're really bright. Wow. My goodness. I want some oysters though. I mean, I got an oyster tree producing plentiful right now. Wow. Looks like I gotta be cooking a lot of this.